How to earn money from freelancing? How can a beginner start freelancing? Step 1. The right equipment. Thinking thinking about getting started in freelancing but don't know where to start. Then this guide is for you. I created this as an ultimate guide on how to start freelancing for beginners. Whether you want to start freelancing as a writer, web designer, or developer, this guide will help you start your journey in 10 simple steps. Before you move any further, I need to clarify a few things. Freelancing is a lot more complicated than you might think. Some people believe anyone with a laptop and an internet connection can earn money online, but it is not true. Continue reading only if you are willing to work hard to achieve your goals of becoming a freelancer and finding financial freedom. Also, be sure to read the recommended links to learn more about each section. Now, let's dive in. Note: please bear in mind that this guide is only cover the basics. It will help you to get started the right way, but if you want to take it to the next level and learn some more secrets earning 5,000 a month, you can grab my book Freelance Like a Pro. Get the right equipment. You make terrible choices and decisions when you are desperate. That that's exactly why I always advise not to start freelancing to earn money quickly. Freelancing is not a get rich quick scheme. It requires a lot of hard work. In fact, it took me around 4 years to earn a steady income as a freelancer. But thankfully, today you have more opportunities than I had back then. You can read my story for more details. I often receive questions from freelancers asking if there is work they can do using just a smartphone. The quick answer is there are none, at least not ones that are worth doing. Smartphone apps are limited in features. You need a computer to run software that are required for doing the work properly and delivering great result. So before you go ahead and think about working online, go get yourself a laptop or even an old computer would do the trick. Also make sure to read the article suggestion below before going any further. Find a marketable skill. The next and most important step is to find a skill you can offer as a service. This can be something as simple as transcribing a podcast or something advanced like developing a mobile app. Whatever it is, the key to winning in freelancing is to find a skill that you are good at and has enough demand in the marketplace. For example, if you are good at drawing illustration or designing product packaging, go to a freelance marketplace like Upwork or Freelancer and check to see if there are jobs for that type of work. If there are enough job listing on those sites for the skills you are good at, then you have hit gold. Step 3. Polish up your skills. Once you find a marketable skills, you should make sure you can offer it as service simply, but you need to be really good at what you are able to get paid for. Step 4. Building your reputation. Step 5. Create a portfolio. Step 6. Try freelancing part time. Find the right freelance platform. Charge the right prices. Send your first proposal. Deliver beyond expectations.